Kublai pi baro na kaliang kadudashan kenra shillong ipiliang subhai pi shikatuk kubo mentaka janmiat shaban pa shi kubo ki bubnya ini pechwai ki mat bekong san. Beliau mencerang badu kari Narendra Modi ya ke Cancer Hospital Haryana buat Punjab. Pentemai ke Kenhun Menteri ya ke Khajna jangka umpiang petrol buat diesel Meghalaya. Kentaj Menteri Rangba ke Jela ban penbet biang ke Memorandum of Understanding belai soy dan ke Meghalaya bat Assam halo ki reu teli ki jaka kaput. Bat saiso ke jing penher ke DRDO bat ke Indian Navy ya vertical launch short range surface to air missile harut di Riau Odisha. Kikubo ki bubnya. Menteri Rangba adu kari Narendra Modi ne ke sengi ula plia ya ka Amrita Hospital ha Faridabad District jong ke Jela Haryana. Ya kene la penyat da ka mata Amrita nan damayi mat ha ka ba kene ke hospital ke dan hadu hajar nreus pa jing thia. Kene ke hospital ya ka balatai ha ka jinglut kumba nreu hajar kelur. Tingka kan ai ke jing syakri ban penbiang ia ke jing ai jing sumar ki bebiang na ka benta ki nongpang. Hadian kene ula pliru ya ka Homi Bhaba Cancer Hospital and Research Center han New Chandigarh ka Baha Mohali Punjab. Aba ai jing kren ha kene ke sengi Menteri Rangba adu ula ong baling ba kini kitiar ka juk menta ki nongpang bampong ki la ban yo ka jing sumar ka bebiang ha ka jing sieu ka beduna.
आज होमी भाभा कैंसर अस्पताल और रिसर्च सेंटर के तौर पर भी देश को एक आधुनिक अस्पताल मिला है। इस आधुनिक सुविधा के निर्माण में केंद्र सरकार के टाटा मेमोरियल सेंटर ने महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है।
Ka Kenhun Menteri jong ke Jela mentaka sengi kala rai ban pentamai ke Khajna halo ke umpiang petrol ba diesel ha ke Jela. Abi kren ba kinong thok khubor ha ke jingelang jong ki Kenhun Menteri katnat ke kot ke khia ke Jela u James PK Sangma ulo ong ba ke Kenhun Menteri kala shim ya ke ni ke rai hadian baladep ye kren sani bha. Aba pentip ba ke jingyo Khajna menta halo ke petrol ke long khat lai point san na ke shispa la ne khat wei tingka shilita ke balong ka jing o Khajna ka bala kham he. Usang mau lo ong baya ke Khajna la pentamai sha ke khat lai point san na ke shispa la ne khat ar point san po tingka ha ka shilita. Kat ba ka dor jong ka diesel ka long san na ka shispa la ne sau tingka ha ka shilita. Ulo ong bala dep pentamai sha ka san na ka shispa la ne san point san po tingka ha ka shilita.
So, the rate of, petrol in Bernihat would be rupees 1.92 cheaper than what it is in Assam. Along with this, I would also like to inform that despite the hike in our tax structure and the consequent increase in the oil in the prices of petrol and diesel, we are still as a state in terms of petrol and diesel prices are the cheapest in the entire country.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad Sangma ula kentaj mador ban penbet biang ya ke Memorandum of Understanding belai soy pedang ke Meghalaya bat Assam halor ki henriu teli ki jaka kaput ki bahap hakawat ke beningkong kene ke kerwo kelawan na Menteri Rangba hadien bagi kenhun seng bahalang kelai kendu ya bat kila dawa ban wanra biang ki lai teli ki snong kata ka Joypur ka Salbari bat ka Hahwa para Sha Meghalaya. Abai kran bakila pathai khubor hadien balakut ke jingelang usang ma ulo ong bagi kenhun seng bahalang kila penpau ke jing sngo khuslai halo ki katu kat ni ki jaka bana ka liang ke soka kala pen I haki ya ke jing shisha bat kat kum ke kaipot jong usnam ahaja khatwei aga balai merjing mot lang presiden ke KSU uba Lambok Marngar ulo ong ba ke Meghalaya bat ke Assam ki long shibenta jong kari India bat baro ar ki sorkar ki la bani merjing mot lang bani penbet biang.
So we will see how it moves forward. It's not something that I can commit right now, but let the process continue. And we have noted down the concerns of the honourable, the NGOs and the members from the different organizations, and we will see how to move forward in that.
We have witnessed the dissatisfaction, the disappointment of people of the border, particularly in the border area. So what we have to press to the government of today, in this meeting, that the government should find a way and mean how to address this problem. Yes, the government have made it very clear they cannot review the MOU. But we left on the wisdom of the government how to tackle, how to find a way and mean how to address the issue.
Ka Trinamool Congress kala kentui ka soka jala bakan bisha banyak biangnya ke MOU hakabaya day bak kajinga menjori ke jaka kaput ble soi bat ka Assam. Presiden ka TMC uba Charles Pingro uloong bakala don kajing persya habaro kiliang. Uloong ba unsa shimkhia halo kani ka benta ha dorba sunrise jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ka bansalong shen.
But we can see if it was all in order, why are there so many protests? Why is the case filed in the Supreme Court also regarding the MOU? So all that is an indication that all is not well with the signing of the MOU between the two states. Every discussion, the boundary issue comes up. So even now, if there is a motion for discussion against a certain particular issue, then the boundary issue will be clubbed in.
Menteri Kena Badai Khmi Ekatanat Railways, Coal and Mines Urau Sahib Patel Danve negasi ulalit jingo Ekarib Hoi District na kabenta ban bisha banyak halo ke projek repair ki ban pentraikam hapo kani ke district namar kala long kawai ka balasha jiet kum ka aspirational district. Une Menteri Kena ulalit jingo ru ya ke Anganwari Center ka bah ka Shnong Dihar ke Health and Wellness Center ha Sao Nong Kharai bat ha ka Shnong Saiden ulayo banyakren bagi kenhun self-help group halo ki scheme repair. Haba ai jingkren hangane ke jingelang utai Menteri ulapan pau ya ke jinghun mensiem ha ka bayadai bat ki scheme repair ki bala pentraikam ha ka rukom ka bayadai. Ka Defence Research and Development Organisation lane DRDO bat Shipai Duriau kala job aga jing persang penherio vertical launch short range surface to air missile lane VLSRSAM na ka jaka penher Namding Integrated Test Range ha Chandigarh kabadon harut Duriau Odisha hinin kasngi ya kani ka jing persang la penher na ka jahat thma jong Shipai Duriau agini ki missile la pendai lang bat ka radio frequency lane RFC ka ki bala ban penpoi bej ha ka jaka bala thmu ban poi. Kaseng National People's Party mentaka sengi kala rakhe ka jingdap shi post nam jongka ka office jong kaseng hanong ba shillong haba ai jingkran hakane ka sengi u National President ka National People's Party u Konrad Ki Sangma u la pertu ya u President berim jong kaseng u porno agitok Sangma bam kuai hadawaru blay u bala plie ya kaseng ha Meghalaya hakane ka sengi hakane ka ju hi ka jaka wat ha shwa ban plie ha ka national level. Ula ong ba kaseng kala la ban job ya ki babon ki jing e ki ba ki kendo hakane ki shi post nam bala dab. Hakane kesengi la don ringkat ru daki weipat kinong elam barang ba jong keseng. Aka weipat keliang la rakhi ru ya kane kesengi hajawai ka ba u MLA ka jawai bat u balong ru u district president u ba wailat miki shilan lo ki weipat kle don lang hakani ke jing rakhi.
And hence we are all here to look back on these 10 glorious years where we have all had us areas of struggle. The National People's Party and its members have gone through a lot of ups and downs, and it has been a very challenging last 10 years. But in spite of the challenges we faced, be it as a political party or be it as a government, we have been able to overcome those challenges.
Ka Federation of Persons with Disabilities mentaka sengi kele kendo yo Menteri Ketna Social Welfare uba Kermen Shela ban kentui ka soka jela ban pen urlong ki santali ki mat jing dawa jongki kini ki santali ki mat jing dawa ki kentup ban ra ban kenti ka jing ai bai benai ki tu ki badan jing duna ki de khotmet ki bampat don kam don jam bat ki balad pendep ya kelas 10 sheneng na ka shi hajar tingka shakalai hajar tingka shi benai ban itu purano ya ki tu ki batrai kom ki master role ha ki tnat ba pher ki bahap apo ka group D ban penjela ni rata tepkam hakitnat sokar na kasau pu asnem sya kasau pu nyaus nem rata ban thung iwei idekot hapo ke MPSC but iwei habaro khat artli ke district selection committee khnang ban khmi ya ka jing thung kam thung jam na ke benta ki badon ka jing duna hakidekot met
social welfare departments. We will try our very best to write a letter to Chief Minister or maybe the concerned department to look after this, so that we will follow it up and then we'll try to keep them the best we can, that which is their rights.
Nanta pat ngi pe ye ke jing long jiman ke sumi deng shlong ka jing shit ka long apunyo point lai degree Celsius but ka jing kriat ka long kha pra degree Celsius ka jing skam ka hau ka long pra puwe ni shispa men step bat nru puwe ni shispa jan miet ka la bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malu mala habon ki jaka sa shi sien pat ngi pen kan ma pi bai ka ni ka khubor jong ni phila ban pe live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News shlong shaban poi shi ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ni pe byang sa asien ni ki mat ba kong san Beliau Menteri Rang Badu Keriu Narendra Modi ke Cancer Hospital Haryana buat Punjab. Pentemai ke Kenhun Menteri ke Khajana jongko umpiang petrol buat diesel Meghalaya. Kentaj Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela ban penbit biang ke Memorandum of Understanding boleh soih dan ke Meghalaya buat Assam halor ke Indriu Tuli ke jaga kaput. Lat say so ke jing penher ke DRDO buat ke Indian Navy ya vertical launch a short range surface to air missile road Duriau Odisha. Keparlok kat tungi lapoi si bekut jong tuk kubor jing menta ke janmiet hadu bang ni syamit plasai ksi ha ke juk kepo kudisi boni pi barok.